In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics code. Whether you're managing a personal blog or a large corporate website, integrating Google Analytics is crucial for understanding your audience and optimizing your content. Let's dive into this straightforward process that will only take about 5 minutes. First, navigate to the Google Analytics platform. Simply open your web browser and search for analytics tools and solutions for your business, Google Analytics. This platform is your go-to for tracking and analyzing your website's data. Once you're on the page, look for the option that says Sign into Analytics and click on it. If you don't have an account, this is your cue to create one. Having an account will grant you access to all the amazing tracking features Google Analytics offers. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the Google Analytics homepage. This dashboard is where all the magic happens. Here you'll find various reports and tools that give you insight into your website's performance. But for now, let's focus on setting up your analytics code. Head over to the settings. You'll find this option by looking for the admin gear icon, which is typically in the lower left corner of the screen. Clicking on it will direct you to the settings page. Next, within the settings, you'll see an option labeled Property Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll manage the properties or websites you want to track. Every property corresponds to a unique website, offering tailored insights specific to that site. Now look for data streams. This function is essential as data streams connect your Google Analytics property to your website, enabling you to collect raw data. After selecting data streams, you'll see a button prompting you to add a new data stream. Clicking this button will commence the process of linking your website to Google Analytics. You'll be asked to enter your website's name and URL, so make sure you have that information handy. Upon completion, Google Analytics will generate a unique tracking code. This is the piece of code you need to integrate into your website. Copy the tracking code provided. The integration method can vary depending on your website's platform. For instance, if you're using WordPress, you can install a plugin like header and footer scripts to add the tracking code without directly editing your theme files. Alternatively, you might need to paste the code into the HTML of your site's header or footer. It's crucial to follow your platform's specific instructions for adding code snippets, and that's it. Once your tracking code is in place, Google Analytics will start collecting data about your website's traffic, user behavior, and much more. This data will appear in your Google Analytics dashboard, offering valuable insights to help guide your website strategy. Remember, it may take a bit of time for data to appear as it collects user behavior over time. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.